Kim, grateful at proud sa natanggap na award mula sa South Korea. Hindi pa rin makapaniwala ang magandang aktres na si Kim Chu sa kanyang latest achievement bilang isang actress. Noong nakaraang September 25, 2024, personal na tinanggap ni Kim ang parangal sa kanya bilang Outstanding Asian Star matapos rumampa sa red carpet ng Seoul International Drama Awards 2024 sa South Korea. Rumampa si Kim sa naturang awards night, suot ang isang peach blush gown na gawa ng magaling na designer na si Francis Liviran. Sa kanyang social media account, ipinahayag ni Kim ang pasasalamat sa anyay kaparis ng isang panaginip na hindi pa siya nagigising. I'm in absolute disbelief and beyond grateful to attend this kind of international award-giving body. It feels surreal, like a dream I haven't quite woken up from. I want to extend my deepest thanks to everyone who believed in me, supported me, and helped make this possible. This moment is something I will cherish forever. Samantala, sa kanyang acceptance speech, nang tanggapin na niya ang kanyang award, maluha-luha si Kim sa pasasalamat sa kanyang mother studio, sa kanyang mga kasamahan sa trabaho, sa kanyang mga fans at sa kanyang mentor na kamakailan ay pumanaw na, si Deo Edrinal.
안녕하세요. Chairman Kim Chu입니다. I am truly overwhelmed to be standing here tonight. With pride and honor, I want to express my gratitude to these incredible people who made this moment possible. First, my company, ABS-CBN, Star Magic, Derek Lauren, who's here tonight. Thank you for always believing in me. I'm gonna cry. To the team behind the show Linlang or Deceit, Dreamscape Entertainment family, from the creatives, writers, directors, staff, to my co-stars. Without your hard work, guidance, passion, and vision, none of this would be possible. I share this honor with every single one of you. And to my ever-loving, supportive fans, this award is also for you. Your unconditional love, efforts, and belief in me have always been my source of strength, and for that, I am truly grateful. And lastly, I want to dedicate this honor to the person who is no longer with us, my boss, my mentor, and a dear friend, Sir Deo. He's the one who always pushed me to be my best. And he's the one who always guides me to do the best that I can be through hard work and led with kindness. And for that, Sir Deo, I want to honor this award with you. I wouldn't be standing here tonight without your trust and guidance and opportunities you gave me. Thank you so much, Sir Deo. I want to honor this award to you. And to Soul Drama International Awards, thank you for this recognition. This is a dream come true for me to represent ABS-CBN and my country, Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Kamsahamnida.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.